Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and this is what we're going to make today, a quadruple fold card. And each one of them has a little tag in there. You could also put gift cards, things in there if you wanted to. But the little tags just slide right back down in the folds. And the reason we're calling it a quadruple fold is because we also have a little fold right here. So you've got 3 pockets and a fold. So we're going to get into making this, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So you're going to start out with a piece of cardstock that is 12 by 12. You're going to score down the center at 6. Then you're going to turn it 1 turn and score at 6 again. That's going to be, you're splitting your cardstock in 4 pieces. Okay, so go ahead and fold and burnish your paper. So before I do anything else, I'm going to cut right here on this line. That's just going to keep me hopefully straight. So just cut to that center point. That's all you need to do. So then on this one right here, here's your cut line, and on this one, you're going to start at that fold right there, and you're going to make a mark at 2 inches. And then you're going to turn it, and on this side you're going to do the same thing. So line up your ruler with that score line and then make a little mark at 2 inches. Now this is how I do to make my fold correctly. I put my ruler, my Tim Holtz ruler that has the metal piece on the end, I put it up there and hold it really tight. And then I press that up, just like that. That's going to give me my first fold. Then on this one right here, that's at this point, you're going to mark from that score line out 1 1/4 inches. Make a mark. And then from that cut line out 1 1/4 and make a mark. Then just find those marks, if you can see them, and fold your paper up. And then roll your paper over. There we go. Now on this one right up here, you're going to make a mark out at 1/2 inch. So out from that score line, 1/2 inch. There's my score line. I'm coming out 1/2 inch right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to join those lines again with my ruler and fold that up. And then we'll roll that one over. Let's see. A little bit off right there. There we go. So we've got all of that folded up. This one is going to stay flat. Alright, so to fold this, all you're going to do is you're going to bring this up, just like this. So that's going to be your back piece. There's one of your folds. Bring that one over. And then bring this one over just like that. Now, if you want these to fold the other way, or if you want part of them to fold one way and part of them the other, you can do that like this. All you have to do is just turn your folds. But I think I like that, And then right here on this piece, I'm going to make another little fold. And I think I'm going to mark it, about 1 1/2 inches. And as soon as I get through doing this, I'm going to fold it again for you, just so you can see. I want it to fold a little bit more than that, so I'm just going to fold it up by hand. All right, so let's see what that is. That is 2 inches. I marked in 2 inches and folded that up. And see, that gives me my flower design and then kind of a solid and then my flower design. All right, so here's how we folded it again. Let's do that one more time. So you're going to fold, this is how it's laying right now. Here's your solid piece. You're going to fold this up. There's your first pocket. And you can turn this either way. You can turn it this way if you want. Doesn't matter. I'm going to leave mine in because I want this to show more. Then you're going to bring this one up, fold it over that way. And then this one up and fold it that way. That's going to be a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here, and then your solid piece is going to be on the back. Now this makes a 6x6 card. You could probably do this differently to make a smaller card if you want to, but I like a 6x6 card sometimes when I'm putting a lot of embellishments in it. So I am going to glue right there. You're going to glue on that point. Then you're going to glue right here. So put just a little bit of glue there. And then we need to glue down here at the bottom because we don't want we don't want anything to fall out of that pocket. So you're going to glue that part right there. So on this one, you glued on the edge and then you glued down here. And then right here, let's go ahead and glue that pocket down. That little flap, just so that it'll stay put. All right here, you're going to run some glue up through there. Just like that. And then you're going to fold this one over. You're going to put glue here along the bottom on this one. So we're going to put a little bit of glue right there and then along the bottom. Just like that. And then we're just going to sit that in there. There's our little pockets. Now you can go ahead and put a little glue right here under that. And then I'm going to put just a touch of glue right there to hold that little pocket down, or that little piece down. Now we're going to insert these little tags in there. These you can journal on, write on. You can also use this for gift cards, things like that if you want. But I like these little tags in there. So we're going to put those in there. See if you can see those. Yeah. So I'm going to use some bling pieces to kind of set off this card and the pockets. So let's see. I think I'll use these. I think I'll use the green ones up here. That'll kind of bring these tags, bring that green out on them. Now, if you want to keep this flatter, then you probably don't need to put all of this on there. Okay, I'm going to switch this, put this one up here, and then I'm going to put this small green one down here because I don't have another larger one. So like that. Okay, we're going to stamp on this, and I'm just going to stamp Happy Mail, because this is going to somebody that's getting some Happy Mail. So there's Happy. All right. And that is from a stamp set called Happy, Happy, Happy. And I will try to remember to link that below. And I'm just going to cut this out, make a little flag out of it. Then we're going to put that down right there, and I'm going to put it up on a little bit of foam tape. There we go. Let's put just a tiny piece of bling right there on the end, because I think you can decorate anything up with bling, you know me. Now on this right here, I am going to tuck some flowers in because I am going to be putting this in a kind of a larger box. So I'm going to be tucking some flowers in. If you don't want to do that, if you're going to mail this, then you can leave all this dimension off and just mail it as is. But I want to decorate it up just a little bit. So I have just some flowers out of my stash. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun so that they'll kind of stay where I put them. Then we'll just tuck some leaves in some different areas. Right in there. Then just to balance this out, I'm going to take these little cards out, and on the corner up here that's going to show, I'm going to use some archival ink in the magenta hue. And this is a little stamp set that is a May stamp set that we got with our kits last year. And we're just going to stamp the little flower there. There we go. And I will tell you what stamp set that is if I can find it. That is the, let's see. This is the Bloom stamp set, and if I can find it in her store, I'll link it. I'm not sure she still has any more, but if I can find it, I'll link it for you. So then we're going to put these back in. Oh yeah, I think that brings it together a lot better. There you go. Maybe you can see that. So that is our card for our Happy Mail. I could still make a little box for this and put it in a box if I wanted to put it in the mail. It'd cost me a little bit more postage because it would be a little bit thicker, but I could still mail it if I wanted to. But you can always put flat embellishments on it and then mail it because it's not that thick if you don't put all of the embellishments on there. But that's our card for today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little bell so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. We will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.